Excuse me, are you Taylor Swift?
Yes. And wow, Cristiano Ronaldo? I didn't expect to see you here.
I'm flying to London for a charity event.
No way. I'm going to the same event. Which flight are you on?
Flight BA204 at 5:30 p.m.
That's my flight too. What a coincidence.
Perfect. We can travel together.
Yes, much better than being alone.
Lovely. They just found out they're on the same flight. Notice Taylor's phrase, "What a coincidence." It means something surprising and lucky happened. Try it with me. What a coincidence. Good. You'll use this phrase when something unexpected but nice happens.
Good afternoon. Passport and ticket, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Any luggage to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Perfect. Please put it on the scale. Good. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B12.
Thank you.
Here's my passport and ticket.
Do you have luggage to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
All done. Here's your boarding pass. Please go to security.
Thanks very much.
That was smooth.
Yes, as long as your bag isn't overweight.
At the check-in counter, you will always hear these two questions. Passport and ticket, please. Any luggage to check in? Now repeat with me. Any luggage to check in? Great. And remember, your bag must be under the weight limit. If not, you may need to pay extra.
Boarding pass and passport, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Put your bags on the belt. Take out your laptop.
Okay, do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please.
That was quick.
Yes, but I always forget something.
Like your football boots?
Exactly.
Security checks can feel stressful. But don't worry, the main phrases are simple. Put your bags on the belt. Take out your laptop. Do I need to take off my shoes? Say it with me. Do I need to take off my shoes? Excellent.
We have time before boarding. Want to look around?
Sure. I might buy perfume.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for men's cologne.
This one is very popular.
Nice. I'll take it.
I'll get some chocolate. Easy gift.
Great phrases for shopping. I'm looking for. Can I try this? I'll take it. Let's repeat together. I'll take it. Perfect.
Attention passengers. Flight BA204 to London is now boarding at gate B12.
That's us. Let's go.
Boarding pass and passport, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
Thanks.
Window seat. Lucky me.
Great. I prefer the aisle anyway.
At the gate, it's always the same. Boarding pass and passport, please. And the friendly reply is, here you are. Try saying it. Here you are. Nice.
Good evening. Would you like something to drink?
Water, please.
Orange juice, please.
Here you are. Dinner will be served soon. Chicken or pasta?
Chicken, please.
I'll take the pasta. Thank you.
Not bad for airplane food.
Yes, surprisingly good.
On the plane, the key phrase is, would you like something to drink? Would you like chicken or pasta? Answer with, I'll have, or I'll take. Say it now. I'll have chicken, please. Good job.
Good evening. Passport, please.
Here you are.
Purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a charity event.
Length of stay?
3 days.
Enjoy your stay.
Good evening. Here's my passport.
Purpose of your visit?
I'm also here for the charity event.
Welcome.
At passport control, you must answer clearly. The two most common questions are, what is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay? Repeat with me. I'm here for a charity event. Excellent.
Where's the baggage claim?
Over there. Carousel 7.
Here comes my suitcase. Got it.
And mine too. Perfect.
This is easy. Just remember, where's the baggage claim? Say it with me. Where's the baggage claim? Wonderful.
Want to share a taxi to the hotel?
Great idea. Hello. We'd like to go to the Royal Hotel, please.
Sure, hop in.
This trip turned out to be fun.
Yes. And now we're ready for the charity event.
To take a taxi, just say, we'd like to go to, please. Try it. We'd like to go to the Royal Hotel, please. Nice and polite. Congratulations! You just traveled the whole airport journey in English with Cristiano and Taylor as your guides. From check-in, to boarding, to landing, you survived every step. Now it's your turn. Go back, listen again, and repeat each phrase out loud. Remember, listening trains your brain, but speaking trains your mouth. The more you repeat, the more natural you'll sound. If you enjoyed this journey, please like the video, share your favorite phrase in the comments, and subscribe for more survival English adventures. Until next time, safe travels, my friend.